Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. It's actually been a few years since I filmed. Life just got super busy. As you can maybe tell, I've moved, and if you've been following me on TikTok and Instagram, I have been posting on there, but YouTube just had to kind of take a little bit of a backseat for a while. But I am free today and I thought, why not start filming again? I don't know how I'm going to schedule in constant videos. I've not really planned that yet, but I thought I wanted to do a haul because I'm just back my holidays and I thought it'd be fun to do a haul, and I just feel like YouTube is so much easier for a haul because I can be a bit more chatty. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. My name's Amy and I post pink, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, homeware content, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for sticking with me through my very long break, and also if you're following me on other social media platforms, thank you for your support. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you what I got from Italy. I was in Lake Garda last week and it was so lovely and relaxing. We also went to Verona for the day to visit. It was amazing. It was such a beautiful place, and we stayed in a place in Lake Garda called Sirmione, and it had gorgeous little boutique shops. So I found this beautiful dress and I just feel like it's the perfect holiday evening dress. I'm not really sure where I'm going to wear this now that I'm back home in Scotland and it's so dull and rainy outside, but I'll find a way to wear it. I did wear this on my holidays. I'll insert a picture. It's so pretty. It's got a really nice tie up at the back. It has a slit on the side as well, and it's just a really nice material. The only thing is it does catch on bracelets and things, so you do have to be super careful, but I just love the pink sparkle. They had it in white and they also had it in blue, but obviously I was just drawn to the pink and I love it so much. I just think this is so flattering and perfect for holidays, and I'm definitely going to find a way that I can wear this at home now. Obviously I ate a lot of pasta and pizza in Italy and the food was amazing, so I had to bring back some pasta with me. I got this massive pasta and I'm not really even sure how long you cook this or how much you use, but I'll figure that out. While I was there, I also had the best mushroom pasta of my life. I love mushrooms and mushroom pasta is my favourite, and I think they used truffle oil to make it so much nicer, so I bought a bottle of truffle oil because I just feel like the oil in Italy is going to be so much better quality than the oil that you get here. So I'm going to try and cook with this. Let me know if you want to see some cooking videos, because obviously I've now moved. I have my own kitchen, so if that's something you're interested in, then let me know in the comments. We went to Verona for the day and it's such a beautiful city. It's so historical, but also it has a really cool shopping street. It's such a nice wee street. I'll insert a clip of how it looks. There was a Louis Vuitton, there was a Gucci, there was also Guess, Victoria's Secret, Sephora, so many good shops. And the Victoria's Secret was just a little beauty slash handbag one. There wasn't a ton of underwear and jammies, but it was just a little one, but it was so nice. And I saw this bag that I'd been eyeing up on social media for a little bit and I hadn't seen it in the UK ones, so maybe you can get it in the UK now, I'm not sure, but I just had to get it. And it's this little bag. It is so cute. I just love the signature stripe. It's my favorite. It matches my wallet, my card holder. I've got the makeup bags and travel cases and things like that all match this, but I just love this so much. I also have the signature stripe dressing gown, which is my current obsession, and I'm just really into the pink stripes. I've even got pink stripy things in my home now because I just think it's so girly and pretty, and I just think this wee bag is such a nice size for every day. It came with a longer strap. I'm not really sure if I'll use the longer strap, but it's nice to have that option, so I'm going to fill this up as my everyday bag, and let me know if you want to see a what's in my bag video, because I can definitely do that. But I just think it's so cute. It's a good size. It's not massive, but it's not tiny either, so I love it. In Verona, they also had a Sephora, so I picked up a couple of face masks. So I used some of them already. I used the blueberry one and the lemon one, and then I've also got a watermelon one for a gift for somebody, and this is also a gift, so I hope that she doesn't watch this video because it's her birthday soon. I got a Fenty Gloss Bomb. These are the best lip glossies. This in the shade Sweet Mouth because it's just a nice neutral glossy shade, and I just think it'll be really, really pretty. How nice is that? And Fenty glossies are so good. They're one of the best lip glossies, and I just thought that was a really nice little gift. To go along with that birthday gift, I also got her a limoncello because my friend is a big fan of limoncello, so I got this one that says Garda on it, and I just thought the bottle was quite pretty. For my friend and I also picked up 2 of the Caudalie Resveratrol Lift serums. We've been looking for this for a while that wasn't too expensive because it's more expensive to get this in the UK. It's definitely cheaper in like France or Italy or Spain. So I managed to get this in Verona airport for a little bit cheaper as it costs in the UK, and I've been using it for a couple of days and I'm really impressed so far because I want it to be good. Like, it's still very expensive, like it's almost £50, so I want this to be good and I'm really excited to see the results. I will definitely keep updating you. If you're not following me on my like TikTok and Instagram, I'll be updating on there as well, but it's meant to be like Botox in a bottle. That's why I bought it, because I am a little bit concerned, like when I smile, I've got like little lines coming here, and I know that that's just normal, like I'm 28, it's gonna happen, but I want to try and avoid it as much as possible. And also I don't really want Botox and fillers, so if I can do it naturally and just using good skincare and taking care of myself, then I'm gonna try that. So I've tried using this for a couple of days already. I'm noticing my skin looks a lot brighter and I think a lot fuller. Also, I'm on holiday still, like I'm not going back to work till Monday, so that could also be that I'm more well rested, but I'm going to give this a fair shot. You're supposed to use it twice a day, so I will keep you updated. That's everything that I bought on my holiday in Italy. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. I know it wasn't massive, but it was just a little haul to get back into doing YouTube, and I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a lovely day. If you haven't already subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!